Is it a man's role to pay for the first date? There are a lot of theories on this. The old chivalrous theory is you're a man, you should take care of the woman, you ask her on a date, you should pay for the date. Then there is more of a kind of like an equality theory. It's like, hey, men and women are equal, so you should split it down the middle. No matter which side that you take, whether you think that men and women should be treated as equals or men should be chivalrous, men should always pay for the first date. Always. Because even when you do, it's still not equal. She's putting more into it than you are. Let me ask you a question. Take a look at your fingernails. How much did that cost you? Go ahead. How much? Your nail clippers, maybe $1.99, $10.99 if you got expensive clippers. Take a look at your face. How long did that take you? Okay? I mean, to wash your face, if you even washed your face today, right? Maybe you had some moisturizer. Take a look at your hair. How much does that haircut cost you? I know most of you have a $15 haircut. It's true. Even if you go to those fancy places, you're not paying a whole lot. How long did it take you to do your hair? Take a look at your clothes. How much did they cost? This shirt was $12. This woman has put on her makeup, by the way, and spent an hour doing it just to look good for you. She's bought expensive clothes. She pays for everything from waxes to eyebrows to eyelashes, manicures, pedicures. But they put on layers and layers of stuff. They contour, they draw lines on their face so they look beautiful for you. Take a look at your legs. I'm serious, take a look at your legs. How long did it take you to get your legs to look like that? And don't say like whatever your age is to grow that hair. Like she shaves her legs at like every day, every other day, maybe even once a week. She's putting in so much more effort so she looks good for you. And you want to be a cheap ass and not pay for the date? So if you want it to be even, you calculate every cost that it took for that woman to look as beautiful as she did for that date. Compare it to the amount of money that you spent on whatever cheap date that you took her on and split down the middle. You owe her money. So whether you believe that men are chivalrous and they should pay for the first date, or men and women, it should be equal and split down the middle, don't be an asshole. Open up your eyes and realize on how much work she's putting in to be there with you. You're not putting in that type of work, so pick up the check. Don't be a dick. But Spencer, she asked me on the date. Shouldn't we just at least split it? Okay, my girl went to go get a manicure today. $75. You understand that? $75. Okay? That's just for a manicure. That doesn't even count the paraffin wax, to make the hands soft. That doesn't count the pedicure. And let's just say that you're really high maintenance and you get manicures too. But I guarantee you're not getting acrylics. You know what I mean? So you're just getting the regular manicure, the $35 one. But still, let's say you get acrylics, or maybe she doesn't get a manicure. I don't give a shit. Let's say that you getting ready cost as much as she did, and you put just as much time into it, like you're that vain or high maintenance, right? You're still not walking on your toes all night long just so your legs look a little bit longer. You're not freezing your ass off in the winter. Women still wear dresses in the winter, so she looks good for you, and meanwhile, you're sitting there fucking freezing your ass off. That's ridiculous. I would go outside with shorts on. Seriously, try it, guys. One time, go outside with shorts on. That alone deserves for you to pick up the check. You get the bill, it's like, oh yeah, it's $105. You mind if we split this? Do you want to see this girl again? Even if you don't want to see this girl again. Out of respect for women in general, just like as the species of women, you should love them enough to pick up a check. Look, if you don't have $100 to go on a date, then ask her on a cheaper date. Go to coffee or something. If you don't have $30, $50 to go on a date, you shouldn't be dating. Go get a job. Go manage yourself better. Once you start becoming partners, right? So you're dating now. She's your girlfriend, and you guys are trying to build a life together. Now when it comes a part of she makes money, you make money, you're trying to make financial decisions together, and she wants to pick up a check, okay, I get it. That makes sense. But just the same, if you're dating a girl and she wants to get her nails done, don't make her pay for that shit all the time. Be a gentleman. And again, whether you believe that men and women are equal and should be treated completely equal, or men should be chivalrous and take care of their women, doesn't matter your position. You should do the same thing. But men and women, they are not the same. They are equal in terms of value, but they bring something different to the table. Can a father offer exactly what a mother can? Not unless his breasts lactate, Maybe. They're two different roles that serve equal level of purposes. So do your part. Whether you think chivalry is the, your construct of men and women, or equality is your construct of men and women, do not ask her to split the check. One more thing, side note. This really pisses me off too. Carry cash when you go on a group date. There's something about like going to a bar and like you order 2 drinks, there's $12, and you gotta pull out a card, you gotta ring it, you gotta sign it, and all that stuff. It's like, put some 20s in your wallet, But anyways, don't be a dick. Pick up the check.